Welcome to digitalconstructive.com, and in this video we're going to be talking about the C-61 D-29 paper hanging contractor license. Now, a paper hanging contractor applies all types and varieties of decorative wall coverings except painting or paneling, including paper and vinyl goods, corks, burlap, and carpet type wall coverings. And that's a definition straight from the CSLB website, and that's the Contractors State License Board. So essentially, the D-29 license in many ways is like an interior decorating contractor license. Often, these types of contractors will primarily offer wallpapering services, custom interior services, ergonomic evaluation in some cases, wallpaper hangers, interior renovations, wall covering installation and removal, padded walls, and a lot of times office interior services. So essentially, you need a D-29 license in order to bid on any type of paper hanging or interior decorating projects where the total cost exceeds $500 in labor and materials. Now, how long does it take to get a contractor license in California? On average, you're looking at a 90-day time frame. Typically about 6 to 8 weeks application processing time, and then another 3 to 4 weeks before your test date. Now, that time fluctuates based on a bunch of different factors, but on average, you're looking at about 60 to 90 days. Now, the basic requirements are that you're at least 18 years of age, you've got to have a valid driver's license or USAID, you'll need a Social Security or ITIN number, and you can't currently be on probation or parole. Experience requirements are that you have at least 4 years full-time journey level experience within the last 10 years. You'll need somebody that can sign off on that experience, and you've got to be able to submit documentation if the CSLB asks to see proof of your experience. Now, who could sign off on your experience if you're applying for the D-29 license? You could have a general contractor. You could have a D-29 license holder, or in some cases a C-33 painting license holder. You could have a foreman or supervisor at a company. You could have a fellow journeyman or employee sign for you. And in many cases, you could have a business associate or client sign off. Now, criminal history. If you're applying for a California contractor license, you have to do live scan fingerprinting. Everyone must be honest on the application if you do have a criminal record, but if it doesn't involve fraud, forgery, or embezzlement, you should be okay, but be ready to submit court documents just in case. Now, what's on the exam that you have to pass? You only need to pass one test. It's going to be 115 questions covering various types of contractor license law. Now, it's a 3-hour exam. It's multiple choice. It's going to be done on site on a computer, and you can bring a translator the day of the exam if you qualify for that. Now, the CSLB Law and Business exam covers business organization, business finances, employment requirements, bonds, insurance, and liens, contract requirements and execution, licensing requirements, safety, and there's going to be a portion covering public works also. Now, for study guides and the most up-to-date online practice exams, you can check out the link in the description of this video. Now, after you pass your exam, you'll get your results immediately. If you do need to retake the exam, typically you can do it within about 2 to 3 weeks. Once you pay your license activation fee and provide a contractor bond number, the CSLB should send you your contractor license in about 2 to 3 weeks. Now, the costs for the California contractor license include a state application fee. You'll pay a license activation fee and then a renewal fee. Every 2 years, you'll pay the cost of fingerprinting, and you'll provide a contractor bond number. Now, for the most up-to-date costs for the CSLB license, you can actually check out the video that'll appear after this one. Just want to thank you for watching. For additional information on the D-29 license, we've got a bunch of more information on our website. For additional information on bonding, trade skills, and a lot more, like and subscribe to our channel, and any questions that you have, feel free to drop them in the comments. But again, this is digitalconstructive.com, and thanks again for watching.